Okay, so Copilot is the ability to use this controller and this controller as one controller. As we can see, if I press the A button on this controller, it's working, but if I press the A control on this one, it's not working. So, how we turn on Copilot is we will press the Xbox Home button, we will select Home, we will scroll over using the analog stick or the D-pad to Settings, then we will go down to Accessibility, and then go over to Controller. As we can see, the Copilot setting is on the bottom. We will select that. We will again go all the way to the bottom where it says Turn on Copilot and turn it on. You should get a little notification there that says it's connected. Now we'll use the B button to go back again until we're on the home page. When we're on the home page, you can go over to Rocket League, select it. And now we press A here. This controller will also work as well. So we can drive and use the analog stick. But as I'm driving, I can use this to jump. Okay, so if you have 3 controllers and you wanted to pick specifically which one you want to use Copilot, let's say we wanted to use this one and not this one here. We would hit the Xbox Home button, select Home, scroll over until you see Settings. Instead of going to Accessibility, we will go to Device and Connections. We will select that. We will select Accessories. And if we wanted to use the adaptive controller, we would scroll till we see the adaptive controller, go to the 3 dots and hit select. And then we will go down to turn on Copilot. When you hit select on this, it'll ask you which one that you want it to Copilot with. Since we have the white controller, and you should feel a vibration. When I did that, I don't know if you can hear, but the controller will vibrate. And you will select, and now it's connected to this one. So if we go back all the way to the home and go to Rocket League, we will see that also to make sure, as an added safety feature, to make sure that this is the controller you want, you will hit start when you get here. It'll ask who are you, you'll sign into your profile, and now the Copilot will work.